As a new school year begins, many children are stepping into new routines, new challenges, and sometimes even new worries. New classrooms, new schedules, new expectations, and sometimes those things can feel a little like standing in front of a mountain. That's one of the ideas behind this month's theme. Sometimes life feels big, sometimes decisions feel hard, and sometimes we aren't sure which direction to go. But God doesn't ask us to figure out everything alone. This month's verse is Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make straight your paths. This verse reminds us that God guides us when we trust Him, not only in the big moments, but in everyday life too. This month's resources were created to help children connect wisdom, trust, and everyday choices with God's Word in meaningful and creative ways. Inside the monthly resources, you'll find focus verse pages, handwriting and journaling activities, work the word pages, creative reflection activities, and simple ways to talk about wisdom and trusting God. The featured Bible art lessons this month is Facing the Mountains. Mountains can remind us of challenges, obstacles, and moments when we feel uncertain. But they can also remind us that God is bigger than the things we face. And as you use this month's resources, you might talk about worries or fears, discuss wise choices, encourage children to pray about decisions, or help them notice ways God guides and provides. This month's theme is Trusting God and Words of Action from Proverbs. You don't have to do every page in our resources. Sometimes one verse, one meaningful conversation, or one creative reminder can stay with a child for a very long time. I'll also be sharing back-to-school Bible verse resources and simple creative ideas that can help children begin the school year with encouragement and truth from God's Word. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is helping children. Trust God, seek wisdom, and remember, they do not walk through life alone. If you'd like to explore this month's printables, Bible art lessons, and resources, you'll find everything linked below. I'm so glad you're here.